Hello everyone. I'm out today for a meeting, but I'm still on campus. So make sure you're going to using your district Chromebook. You're going to open up Google Classroom and you're going to get to this slide. A lot of you still have the first page blank, which isn't good because I'm going to do a double daily grade tomorrow to see if you've made it to the halfway through, or at least through the apartment tab, because I need the car and the budget done by next Tuesday. So you need to make sure you're actually doing the project. So how this works is you click on this scenario picker, it'll open up. You just click on the arrow and you spin it. And then I go back to 15, and when I click on 15, it tells me that I could be a chemist, and I'm single, no spouse, one car, one bedroom. And I'm going to take that information and I'm going to put it right here where it says occupation, number of children. Then what you're going to do is you're going to research. You could do these two links, or you could research on Google and say, what is it like to be a chemist? What's a brief description of the work? What are the advantages or rewards of your occupation? I need at least 3 sentences. What are the disadvantages or stresses of your occupation? Same thing, about 3. What are some facts about your occupation? And that's it for the About Me slide, which you should already have from yesterday. Then what you're going to do is you're going to look up how much a good salary is. It says your gross income is how much money your employer pays for your work before taxes and deductions. Your net income is how much you get after. So when you get paid, the government usually pulls their taxes from it. Max income per person will be capped at $100,000. You'll see why when you get there. So you're going to research what a chemist is. So like I'm going to come over in Google and I'm going to say like chemist yearly salary, just so I got an idea. Okay, and then I'm going to click go. It's going to show up. So it's about $84,680, or I could kind of go halfway in between. Or I could use any of these websites and see it's going to be about 80,000. Okay, so I'm going to say about 84,000. So I come back and then I type that number right here, but it's not letting me type it because I'm the teacher. And then I would divide that by 12. If you've got a spouse, it'll usually tell you what that income is, what that job is for the spouse. You do the same thing, Google what they would make for a year, divide it by 12, and then your total gross monthly income for you, if it applies, you have to add together. So add together how much you make a month. That's going to help you figure out a car and apartment. Then what you do is you take that total and you have to pay the government 25% of your total gross monthly income. So you put your answer here where it says total gross times 0.25, and that's how much you get taken out of your paycheck. The last thing I need you to do on this slide is to take your total gross minus your taxes, and that's your net. That will tell you what apartment you qualify for, because it's usually 30% of your income. And when you shop for a car, what car you can afford. And then we're going to come back to simple interest and talk about what your car payment's going to be, because you typically don't have 40,000 to pay for a car. So once again, expectations by the end of the class today, you will, because a lot of y'all are going to be out for Avid, at least make it through the About Me and Income slide. I'm going to grade those first 2 tabs tomorrow during class. So if you don't have it, you get a daily grade of a 0. This is all a test grade. So please make sure you're doing it, and I will be monitoring GoGuardian. I have tutorials today after school, and I have them tomorrow morning. I will also be reaching home about failures.